Many structures, dozens of pathways, and one critical connection between the brain and the body. Good day, and welcome to V Anatomy. Today, we'll look at the brainstem. The brainstem consists of three components: the midbrain, pons, and the medulla oblongata. The cerebral peduncles, or crus cerebri, border the midbrain anteriorly. These are the caudal continuation of the fibers that make up the internal capsule of the cerebrum. The midbrain consists of the dorsal midbrain tectum and the ventral midbrain tegmentum. The midbrain tectum has paired enlargements, the inferior and superior colliculi. The superior colliculi is part of the visual system, while the inferior colliculi is part of the auditory system. On the ventral aspect of the pons are transverse lines. Underlying these lines are the transverse pontine fibers. The pontocerebellar fibers make their way to the cerebellum through the middle cerebellar peduncle. On the dorsal aspect of the medulla are the paired gray cell tubercles and the more lateral cunate tubercles. These contain second-order sensory neurons with axons projecting to the thalamus. Along their way to the thalamus, these fibers form the internal arcuate tract and then the medial lemniscus. On the ventral aspect, the medulla is marked by the paired medullary pyramids on either side of the ventral median fissure. The pyramids overlie the corticospinal tracts, which project from the cerebral cortex to the spinal cord. Lateral to the pyramids are the olives. These overlie the olivary nuclei on either side. The olivary nuclei are concerned with motor control and receive fibers from both the motor and sensory cortices of the cerebrum. In turn, they send fibers to the dentate nucleus and the cerebellar cortex. That's all for today. Goodbye.